My wife left a secret phone in my car, and I swear I wish I had never turned it on. I found it underneath the passenger seat after she got out. At first I thought it was an old phone. Then it lit up. One message appeared. Did he find out yet? My stomach dropped. I unlocked the phone. There were dozens of messages between my wife and a number saved as Mike. Then I saw photos, hotel rooms, dinners, and pictures of my wife with another man. I confronted her that night. She started crying and said it was just a mistake. Then I asked one question. How long? She went silent. Finally, she whispered, almost a year. I packed a bag and left. But 3 days later, I received a message from Mike. It said, "You deserve to know the truth. She wasn't cheating with just me." Then he sent me a screenshot. There were 4 different men in the secret phone. I stared at that screen for a full minute. And that's when I realized the phone I thought would destroy my marriage actually saved me from wasting another year of my life.